Talk is a brand new Arizona-based high-tech startup that is delivering right now the first ever robotic accountant. Now, what that means to you is you're going to be able to deliver write-up for about $20 a month in cost with everything included. And I'm actually going to bring this out to a local Regis Executive Center and I'm going to show it to you. I mean, we know robots are coming because we see it at the McDonald's, we see Uber drivers. Now in your office, a student coming in 2 hours a day will be able to do the work of 3 full-time bookkeepers. Let me just give you some examples of how this might work. I've got a client at 3 o'clock. He walks into the 7-Eleven and whips out his debit card for a $200 cash withdrawal. Now, how do you code that transaction? But Talk takes care of it. Talk intercepts the transaction, checks with the business owner via text to the phone, and has that accurately coded and in the software by 5 o'clock. And the same thing works on handwritten checks. The client goes to an auction on Saturday. They buy $80 worth of used equipment. We'll have the digital copy of that check, the reason for that check, all posted before that check ever clears the bank. What if they go to lunch? By 5 o'clock, who they were with and what they talked about in the accounting software. 99% of all your transactions are going to match now on a reconciliation, and the time to do a write-up just dropped to just minutes a month, and you've got accurate data. And here's why your clients will love that, because now you can start pushing a one-page graph of how their business is doing. In our business, we send out a link every morning at 5 a.m. Hey, click here and look at how you did yesterday. Clients love that real-time feedback. So I'm going to show it to you work. Now, here's why we don't make money in monthly work. This is why it's so hard. Because the clients drive us crazy with all the different ways they send us data. If we get it at all, if it's on time, and there's just constant feedback on what did you want to do, what's this about, where does that go. 80% of all your cost is between the time the client writes a check or writes a sales order and the moment it's all coded into the software, any software, we don't care about what software you use, and you hit return on your software. And so that you can create reports. 80% of all your cost is getting stuff from the client coded accurately into software. Talk takes that away. And she does it for 10 cents a transaction. She'll intercept all these transactions and then code them and post them. And she'll do it with a picture of the receipt or the invoice or the sales letter, all right into your current accounting software. Well, that means 80% of your cost just disappeared. And she's working faster than a robot can make pizzas for my teenagers. Monthly work just became your best profit center, and you'll never have labor problems again. Now, you'll be able to see it in a 1-hour demo. I'm coming down to the Regis, only 10 seats, and it's just 1 hour. You'll actually see the robot work. You can scroll down on this website and pick a location near you. I'm looking forward to showing you this new startup technology. This is going to blow the accounting industry wide open.